And here you can see $90 per hour, 75, 35, $40 per hour. You can actually make anywhere from 30 up to $90 per hour. All you have to do is just go to... What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get paid anywhere from $30 up to $90 per hour or even more by simply typing and writing. Now the best part is you don't need any previous experience and you actually don't even have to type or write. Everything's going to be revealed inside this video, so to find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm gonna share with you here how you can get paid anywhere from $30, $40 up to $90 plus per hour by simply typing and writing. As I said also, you don't need any previous experience at all to get started with this. But first, a disclaimer, results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk. If you skip out any part of this video, you might not get any results at all. So make sure you follow along and watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information I'm gonna share with you. Make sure you also subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is My IM Tips. It is related to internet marketing tips, make money online, work from home, productivity tips, and a lot more. You're going to find a link at the top and of course in the description below. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real, long-term, sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's dive in this strategy here to see exactly how we can earn up to $90 plus per hour. Let's go! Alright guys, so first and foremost, let me just show you here on the opportunity, and I'm gonna share with you the exact strategy on how you can do this. So basically we are going to have a look at writing and typing, and I just went to Upwork, which is one of the most popular freelance sites here. You can see that if I type article writing, you can see here if you are a good article writer, you can earn up to $90 plus per hour here. Okay, 75, 35, $40, $38, $90 per hour again here, 35, 55, 50. And basically if I go to other freelance sites like People Per Hour, now it shows up in euros here, but I think that 50 euros, I'm sorry, is approximately around $58 per hour here. 90 euros is probably around $100 as I'm recording this video here. So you can see that there is a huge potential to make money by writing and typing. Now I know what you're going to say, that you are probably not a writer, and that's why I want to share with you the exact strategy on how you can do this even if you don't have any previous experience. So follow along here and I'm gonna share with you. So if I go here to another site, which is iWriter.com, you can see here the opportunities on how much you can make. Okay, as an elite writer, if you write 6,000 words, you can earn up to 132. And if I go also to textbroker.com, you can see here if I go to the section where it says I write content, if I scroll down here, you can see that a 5-star writer earns 5 cents per word. So if I go down here to the calculator, you can see here for 1,800 words I can earn $90. Let's assume that you are a 4-star writer. You can see here, just to pass the $30 per hour, you only have to do is write 2,200 words. Now, how are we going to do that? Well, really simple. I'm going to share with you the strategy here. So if I go back here, you can see that for a 500-word golf article, I can earn 50 euros if it is a good one, okay? So if I go here and type golf articles, I'm going to get tons of results here. Now, first and foremost, we want to know about what we need to write. Okay, so I'm just going to illustrate here an example. I'm going to improvise here. I don't have anything prepared. So I think that the most important thing for me is to show you the idea. And of course, you can do it probably much better than I'm going to show you here. But follow along. You are going to search for golf articles. So all you have to do is just open up an article here. And let's take this for example, okay, why you want to add distance your game and how to do it responsibly. Now what we need to do here is actually open up Google Docs. So I don't know if you have seen this strategy or not, but this is a super cool way. I use this actually daily because it helps me write and type without typing actually. So if I go to the tool section here to the voice typing, now all I have to do is actually speak out loud and it's going to write and type for me here. Okay, so basically what you need to do is, of course, you need to write a unique article. So I do need to be creative a little bit here and of course come up with a unique article. So you're going to have to be creative and think about it. So let's say here, for example, the closer you are to the hole, the better your opportunity you have to post a lower score. So the first line here, I'm going to actually just click to speak here. Many people think that the closer you are to the hole, you probably have a much better chance to post a lower score. Period. New paragraph. Okay, let's go back here. I'm just going to pick some different lines here because I do need, of course, to think and be creative here. Now, let's say here, most golfers assume that to hit the ball farther, they need to add swing speed. Okay, so let's pick this one and let's go here and hit the record button again. Many people think that to hit the ball farther, they actually need to add swing speed. Period. New paragraph. But there is actually a lot more to it. And that's what we are going to cover in this article. Period. New paragraph. Okay, so I stop it again and let's go here. Now, you do need, of course, to be creative, as I said, but I hope that you realize how easy it is, okay? So you just need to be creative, rewrite it in your own unique words here, and you don't have to type it, okay? So you can see here, one of the biggest mistakes golfers make is purchasing clubs that aren't right for the swing. Okay, so let's rewrite this sentence here. Did you know that actually a lot of golfers make the mistake of purchasing clubs that aren't right for the swing? Okay, so I just hit the question mark here again. And compare it to this one, you can see that it is unique and rewritten, okay? So that is why it is so important, of course. And you can go along here the whole day actually in doing this. You see and realize the potential on how easy you can rewrite articles. So as I said, this is a super cool tool and there you have your own unique articles. Now it's totally up to you on how much you want to work with this, on how much money you can make with it. But I think that the more creative you are, the more unique articles you can write in your own words, the more you can make with this strategy. Keep in mind also, a good tip is to actually sign up to as many freelance sites as possible and also sell yourself a bit low so you can get some testimonials, because then you can increase your price there as an expert writer. Now, even better if you focus on, let's say, for example, on a couple of niches or one niche alone. Let's say that you are an expert in weight loss. People are going to trust you because they're going to see that you have a good reputation there. And of course, they're going to pay you for having good articles written. So that is how you can earn anywhere from $30, $40, $50, or even up to $90 plus per hour. Now, as I said in the beginning, if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. make sure to subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. Hit that notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation at the end screen here. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.